Keep your employees safe and protect your property with the B-Series control panels from Bosch. These flexible systems fit a wide range of facility configurations, from retail stores and banks to schools and office buildings of any size. Each B-Series panel works around the clock, checking for open windows and doors, turning on and off lights, and performing other services to keep your facility protected while providing safeguards against burglars, vandalism, and other threats. The Bosch B-Series lets you customize the system to fit the unique needs of your schedule and your facility. Control individual rooms or up to 4 separate areas of your store independently. For example, you may need to disarm the main office while the retail floor stays locked down. You can even schedule events to occur automatically anytime, day or night, based on an internal clock and calendar. For the ultimate in simplicity, the panel can carry out multiple functions with just a single keypad command. This provides easy configurations for events such as overtime, holidays, and after-hour meetings. And with optional wireless key fobs, your employees can easily turn the system on or off by simply pressing a button. In addition to security, you can control other building systems with the B-Series, such as turning lights off at predetermined times to conserve energy. The B-Series control panel is a completely modern Internet appliance which supports both IPv4 and the new IPv6 Internet protocols, future-proofing your purchase. Advanced diagnostic capabilities, as well as remote programming and troubleshooting, minimize your cost of ownership. Technicians can service, configure, and update your system without traveling to your facility. An easy-to-use interface takes the guesswork out of using your system. Keypads guide you through control functions, while customizable text helps you easily understand critical event messages. The B-Series can automatically switch system text from English to Spanish based on user preference. B-Series from Bosch also keeps you up to date on the status of your facility without you being there. Receive important event notifications sent directly to your mobile phone 24 hours a day. Or for an even higher level of control, Bosch's mobile app lets you operate your B-Series control panel from your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch. Turn the system on or off, check status, and control monitored points over the Internet or through your local wireless network. A full line of intrusion detectors include the Blue Line Gen 2 with excellent catch performance and false alarm immunity, and Radeon wireless component options that provide maximum security with minimal cost and inconvenience. Invest your future in a B-Series control panel and accessories. Keep your business or organization safe and secure. Be more B-Series. Bosch, invented for life.